What's up, everybody, and welcome to day 3 of this 5-day fast. Had to follow up with a video this morning. I ended up staying home from work today just to rest up a little bit more. Didn't really get that good of sleep last night, but not because of the fast. My son was up yet again, teething and up and down, so didn't get much sleep because of that. Otherwise, I probably would have slept fine. So after yesterday, yesterday was crazy. I was feeling pretty good, just like I said in the video, and it just hit me really hard. It come about 2 o'clock and then just got progressively worse. And I ended up kind of freaking out a little bit about, the feelings I was having in my body and, stuff that was going on, that lower back pain and the dizziness. I was washing dishes, not sure if I mentioned that, and just started to get really dizzy, and I could feel that something was about to go down. So I had to sit down, and I did. It's important to take breaks. Do not ignore your body. So I did take a break and, started listening to some stand-up comedy, get me kind of in a good mood, get my mind off of what was going on. So definitely encourage that. Get on YouTube, find a video you like, find some music you like if you're going through that. And then I started researching and found a really good website. Another guy who's really familiar with fasting, and I'll share that. I'm actually looking now to put together a little fasting document with a bunch of FAQs and a lot of the information that I found, but nothing too overwhelming, just really basic stuff. And I'll include the links to all those sites so you can go check them out as well. But a little boiled down version that you can whip out and reference if needed. Yeah, so yesterday was a bit of a beast. It really hit me hard, and I was not expecting that. My activity level wasn't that crazy yesterday either. I sat for most of the day. Maybe I should have got up and moved around a little bit more. I'm not sure, or maybe it was just bound to happen. I did talk about the pain in the lower back being the toxins getting out of your body, or trying to get those toxins out of your body. So once I read that, I feel a little bit more at ease. And then the dizziness is just something that comes with the fast. Your body is going through some things, and it's gonna happen. I was hoping it wasn't gonna happen to me, but it did. So no way around that. So good thing to know if you're gonna try this, that you just need to kind of embrace that and get through it and know and refocus on what you're trying to accomplish. And I think that definitely helped me think about, what am I trying to accomplish with this? What are the benefits that I'm looking to get with this? And that really helped get me through it, as well as the other things I mentioned. So today, I'll check in again later on, but wanted to do a quick check-in. I weighed myself this morning. I'm at 149.5, so lost another 2 pounds. Sleep, I talked about that. Mentally right now, I'm feeling good. Got a tiny bit of cloudiness, but nothing too major. But other than that, I'm doing pretty good. I'm here recording a video. I was able to get my computer up and running. Didn't have to do it on my phone. So that's good. Physically, my energy level, I'm probably at about 7.5. Hovering somewhere around there, as long as I don't get up and be too active. I'm planning on doing a whole lot of resting today. And I'm doing a little bit of laundry and getting up just to get water. Other than that, trying not to do too much. Trying to keep it real low key. Any pains? I'm not really having any pains. I do feel my stomach, and it's a bit tight. That's probably about the only consistent feeling that I've had since yesterday. Probably since day 1, but more so now, is that kind of tightness in my stomach. Hungry? I'm not really feeling all that hungry. I am having cravings for food, and I keep thinking of things every now and then of things that I'd want to have, like some pizza, or a salad, or oatmeal. I miss oatmeal for sure, my morning breakfast. And so I do get those cravings, and I think about that stuff. And dark chocolate, love dark chocolate. I do get those cravings, and I try to focus on something else. It's definitely not easy, but same thing as before, trying to refocus on the benefits and what you're trying to achieve here, and really power through that stuff. Drink some water, read a book, preoccupy yourself with something else is definitely going to help. I will say, what other notes do I have for you? Rest. Take breaks. You gotta take breaks. Take as many breaks as you can. If you can take a day or two off, especially during day 2 day 1 and day 2, maybe day 1 not as much, but day 2, at least for me, rest up on day 2. Day 3, I would rest up as well. I'm hoping I wake up tomorrow with a lot more energy because I'll be going back to work. And, well, I don't have that difficult of a job. I sit at a desk and do a lot of typing, so nothing too crazy there. Drink plenty of water. You know, I went to drop off the kids this morning, and I forgot my water cup, and I should have went back for it, and I didn't. I kept thinking, well, I'm not going to be gone that long, and I was gone longer than I thought. But I did get a drink of water at the place where I dropped them off. So do not forget your water. It's an easy thing to forget, but have it with you. Have something that's easily transportable. Let's see, what else? Don't stress. That was one of my big problems yesterday when I started thinking about the changes that my body was going through, or the feelings I was having, and just started stressing out about it and getting up in my head about it. Don't do that. Try to get your mind off of it and refocus. Be familiar with the symptoms. I was, but I had to read them again just to get myself in the moment, more familiar with the symptoms I was going to be feeling, and know that this is going to be okay. You know, have those things ready. Have those tools ready for when you start feeling those things, because you might get a little bit stressed. You might feel a little panicky, and you gotta, refocus. Know that a lot of that is what your body's naturally going to go through. Now, if it's anything more serious, some serious pains, or you feel like you're going to pass out, it might be a little bit different. You might want to just stop the fast. I was definitely considering stopping the fast yesterday, and I was thinking in my head, okay, what am I going to eat if I need to come out of this fast? But I read that stuff, and it got me refocused. But this is a serious thing, so take it seriously. What else do I have for you? H2O, don't stress, drink plenty of water, don't eat. Goes without saying. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Those are pretty much all the topics I wanted to cover, so I think we're good there. I'll check in again tonight, let you know how today went, and we'll go from there. Good luck on your fast. Stay strong, stick with it, and I will see you in the next one.